Hey there, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to activate YouTube restricted mode. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Restricted mode was created to give viewers better control over the content they see. This mode intentionally limits your YouTube experience. Viewers can choose to turn on restricted mode for their personal accounts. Restricted mode does a good job of blocking a majority of obviously inappropriate videos, anything that contains nudity, excessive violence, or obscene language. In order to activate YouTube restricted mode, all you need to do is go to your web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now click on your profile, which is at upper rightmost corner. Click on restricted mode. Now click on activate restricted mode. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.